Happy Monday, everyone. Master Trainer Kiona Leah back again. And we were just chatting, and everybody here is a little stressed tonight. It's been a bit of a Monday getting back to work, actually. Not just for us, but for others as well, from what I've seen on Facebook. So we thought this would be a great night to do a de-stress, weigh less, part 2 kind of workout. So we're going to focus on some of those great moves to help bring our stress levels down, open up and move the lymph to help balance out those hormones and get us some awesome results that may help whittle the middle in the meantime. So we want to do a little bit more twisting through the lower body and the upper body and combine those two together. So we're going to look at some more of these fantastic twisting moves in the second half of the workout, because like I said, this is de-stress, weigh less, part 2. We have done some stuff from the beginning of the workout, but now we're really focusing on the second half and moves that can help with that. So the next thing that we're going to look at are moves that twist us from underneath. The best move that twists us from underneath is thread the needle. So we're going to lunge out. Again, the toe of the supportive leg is at 1 or 11 into that plie position. Bend the knee nice and deep. Belly button to spine. Push that knee out. Remember, you're supporting all your weight on this leg. Spread those toes and lift up that arch for the mouse house. Now, one of the things that's also very, very, very lymphatic is a tap of the foot. So rather than trying to do thread the needle by holding our balance the whole time, we're actually going to purposely touch down. We're going to work those arms into it. So big inhale, hunch. On your exhale, lace those shoulders, make those bear claws, and flip them level. Let's just do the arms first. We're going to go windshield wiper and windshield wiper. So notice I'm flipping my thumb on the back hand all the way back, and the thumb on the front hand up or back to the side. So if I twist, this really works these muscles through here. Let's do a couple of those in position. Bend, belly button to spine, knee out, mouse house. Flip those thumbs. Twist, 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 twist. You feel each of those times you really pop, you can shake that upper body. Now, for the leg, we're gonna do the arms and legs together because it's really hard not to. I'm just gonna demonstrate. We're gonna go up as high as we can, down, up, tap. And as I tap, notice I tap the ball of my foot. I didn't let my whole foot land. You're trying to land on the ball of your foot. That's gonna give you more lymphatic movement. So you don't have to do it all together, which means give every single one of them your maximum. Here we go. Bend, tuck, laces, thumbs. There's only 4. Over and 1, tap. Over and 2, tap. Over and 3, tap. Over and 4. We did it. Check the position of that foot, 1 or 11 the other direction. Lunge into it, stretch the other leg out. Tuck the tailbone, push the knee. Make your mouse house, lift that arch. Inhale, hunch. Bear claws, nice tight arms. All together. Over and 1, down. Over and 2, down. Over and 3, down. One more. Over and 4. Good job. Do you notice the tingling in the lower body? And you should feel it through here especially. We're going to go back to that first side and we're going to do the same principles on the cross. So remember, 1 or 11 lunge, belly button to spine, lace those shoulders, hands come up. Notice my shoulders are down and my hands are reaching. So arms first, we're gonna go switch, pulling into my chest, switch. So I'm really reaching this hand out as I pull this one in. Switch, 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 2 more. Switch, 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 switch. The leg is gonna be the same principle we just did, which means it's gonna come up as high as we can get it. It's gonna come over as hard as we can. That's where the switch comes in. And then we're gonna really, it's hard to do this slow and demonstrate. From here, we're gonna throw this knee out. Sorry, the hands are this way, I apologize. Out as hard as we can when this hand comes in to counterbalance that. And then we're gonna tap down, okay? We're only doing 4. Bend, belly button to spine, reach away. Here we go. Inhale. Up, over, out, down on your exhale. Up, over, out, 2. Up, over, out, 3. Up, over, out. We did it. Same thing. You should really feel a lot of tingling in this leg that just moved. Other side, 1 or 11 in your lunge. Tuck that tailbone. Lace those shoulders, ribs up. Inhale, hunch those shoulders. Stiff, straight arms out. Cross the other foot behind. Here we go. Up, switch, switch. Tap, 1. Up, switch, switch. 2. Up, switch, switch. 3. Last one. Up, switch, switch. 4. Nice job. You should really feel the difference in that tingling, especially through that groin. Grab some water. Awesome job. Do you have any questions, comments, or anything else? And how's your stress level doing?
It's doing good, but my knee is hurting. My right knee especially.
Yeah.
When I bend, I can't hold, it's painful.
And that'll come the more you focus on. We did a lot for the lower belly, these transverse abdominis muscles down here, right at the groin area. The more this starts to build up and strengthen, the easier that'll become. And obviously moves like thread the needle where you're all on one leg are even more challenging. But really keep focusing on, I gave you that homework in your private session, on doing that tuck stance against the wall and really getting the brain to connect to these muscles. The more you do that, the more it's going to keep supporting that injured knee. But it really does take time. Trust me, I know, because I've been there. Great work. And don't forget, you can always send ideas and thoughts in advance. And we'll see you next week. Have a great week.
See you on Wednesday.
Yes, I'll see you Wednesday. Bye.